Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over mineral wells, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Azle, Briar, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Springtown, Brock, Hudson Oaks, Western Lake, Anetta, Pouville, Cool, Lake Mineral Wells, Lake Weatherford, Anetta South, Anetta North, Millsap, and Sanctuary. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 390 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.